Hello, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if your current diet is really working for you? It's time to introduce something revolutionary. A 7-day keto meal plan that's about to change the game. This plan isn't just about losing weight, it's about gaining a healthier lifestyle. Imagine a week full of easy meal preps, delectable dishes, and the satisfaction of knowing you're fueling your body right. So, get ready to revolutionize your health and well-being with this 7-day keto meal plan. Picture this, a vibrant array of fresh ingredients laid out on the counter. That's where our 7-day keto journey begins. Each day is a new opportunity to fuel your body with nutritious, delicious food. Day 1 starts with a power-packed breakfast of scrambled eggs, avocado, and a sprinkle of cheese. It's a feast of proteins and healthy fats that'll keep you energized until lunchtime, a game changer from the days of sugary cereals. Speaking of lunch, no more midday slumps. On day 2, we're whipping up a simple yet scrumptious salad with grilled chicken, mixed greens, and a zesty vinaigrette. It's a far cry from the days when I'd reach for a sandwich and feel lethargic by afternoon. Day 3 introduces a dinner that'll make your taste buds dance. We're talking zucchini noodles with a creamy garlic shrimp sauce. It's a meal so flavorful you'll forget all about the pasta dishes that used to leave you feeling bloated. Day 4 is all about snacks. I remember feeling deprived when I first started dieting, but not with keto. We're creating mini pepper nachos loaded with ground beef, cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. It's a snack that satisfies without the guilt. As we move into day 5, we're exploring the magic of keto desserts. A luscious chocolatey avocado mousse that's as healthy as it is indulgent. It's a sweet treat that's a far cry from the sugar-laden desserts that used to spike my blood sugar. Day 6 is about sharing the joy of keto with loved ones. We're preparing a feast of almond flour pizza and a crisp, refreshing salad. It's a meal that brings everyone together without compromising on health. Finally, day 7 wraps up with a hearty breakfast casserole packed with veggies, bacon, and cheese. It's a satisfying start to the day that keeps you fueled until lunchtime. And just like that, you've got a week's worth of meals planned out, all tailored to boost your health. With this 7-day keto journey, you're not just eating better, you're living better. Join me as we revolutionize our health, one meal at a time. But this plan isn't just about what you eat, it's about the lifestyle you're embracing. Picture the energy you'll have. No more mid-afternoon crashes, no more reaching for that 4th cup of coffee. The keto lifestyle is about fueling your body with what it needs and nothing it doesn't. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the world. That's the power of keto. It's not just a diet, it's a way of life that promotes better sleep, improved focus, and a zest for life that you may not have felt in a while. Beyond the health benefits, there's also the joy of sharing your new lifestyle with others. Let me share a little story with you. A few weeks into my own keto journey, I invited some friends over for dinner. I served them a full keto meal, from appetizer to dessert. They were amazed at how delicious and satisfying it all was, and couldn't believe it was all part of a diet plan. That's the beauty of keto. It's not about deprivation, but celebration of good, wholesome food. Incorporating keto into your life also means embracing a community. From sharing recipes to celebrating victories, the keto community is a supportive and inspiring group of people. So you see, going keto isn't just a diet change, it's a lifestyle revolution. As we wrap up this 7-day keto meal plan, it's important to remember the bigger picture. This isn't just about sizzling pans and vibrant ingredients, it's about a lifestyle transformation, a journey to a healthier you. Each meal is an opportunity to fuel your body with the right stuff to stay energized without those pesky midday slumps. Picture your week filled with deliciously satisfying meals, all while keeping your health in check. Imagine conquering those cravings with scrumptious snacks and enjoying flavorful dinners that make unhealthy takeouts a distant memory. And it's not just about the food, it's about sharing this journey, breaking almond flour bread with your loved ones and embracing this healthier lifestyle together. So, are you ready to conquer your health with this 7-day keto meal plan? Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about reclaiming control over your health.